Well, today you're going to figure out the wiring diagram on this fellow. Big fat motor on it. Interesting large motor for this lathe. Number one. Apparently it's 110 volts, but connections, so 220 is these connections, 115 these connections. Well, get around to it. It's been a while. Geez, getting around all these different machines. I was just replacing the jet sticker here. Came off, and I don't know where it came off, but it did come off. It's been years now. It's time to get this fired up. And get it running, Captain. What have we got over here? This thing, piece of brass. Oh, here's the chuck key for the big drill. Okay, keep that there. Well, what do you know? Should I plug it in? It's also 110 volts, believe it or not. Make sure that is out of the way. Do a quick turn on because I don't want it banging into anything. So I put this switch on some time ago. Turn it off. Perfect. Variable speed down here with this hand wheel. It goes pretty fast or pretty slow. He's working excellent. It's been working for a while now. Beautiful old thing. I bet it weighs 1,500 pounds or more. I don't know. And that fellow, we got another one over here. Southband shaper. Oh my goodness. Little fellow. Okay, so that looks good. It won't interfere, it won't crash, bang, thump. Where to put the plug? Number one. This is the plug, 110 too, so I'll plug it in. Turn on. I got it set it very slow. And, oh, how do you turn this on? Turn on? Yeah, we got light. Original light and a regular light bulb. Got a lot of energy, this kind of thing. Okay, we'll turn it off. Got this on eBay 2014. What place is that? This fellow's working too. But I'd have to turn on all the 3-phase. This is working. Haven't repaired the reverse switch yet. I don't know. Yeah, this works fine. Oh, well, this works fine. Everything except for the Bergmaster. Drill press, this is a wiring problem. And what else works fine? Most everything works fine. This big fella works fine. A long gem, 20 by 80. Everything is just working. Except for the lathe I'm building. And everything is turned off. Oh yeah, good, I checked. Turn this off, doctor. Turn off light. Yeah. For tomorrow, I'll put the nameplate back on. This works perfect. La 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 la. La 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 la. Woo. This works perfect as well. And that. I'm gonna get another slotted welding table, they call them on eBay. I'm gonna use this big plate here. It's really not that big. It's 2" by 20 or something. And get another one to mount this on it. And this I'll use with that spindle I got, along with a compound and a racing power hacksaw. I'm going to make a metal chomping device on this big plate here. So these two parts will go onto a smaller, but maybe a bit longer, large heavy plate. And this fellow, gotta get him working. These two things working. This fellow I'm building. I got a bunch of parts coming in, so that's all fun. That's my short video for today. 8 minutes in? Wow.